Well, it's nice to become the first in Nepal. We already had a dream to become the first. It was actually my father's dream to get the robot to Nepal and start robotic surgical services in Nepal. It's an honor and we are really proud to become the first in Nepal. Nobody knows about robot in Kathmandu. We've got friends in Rajiv Gandhi, like they tell us Nepali patients are coming here for robotic surgery. We got some feedback from Dr. Sujay Rao. He's a robotic surgeon of Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Hospital. And then he also gave us some information about this robot. And then I met Dr. Vishwa at a surgical conference in Kathmandu. And then we spoke about the SSI Mantra, its feasibility, its affordability, cost effectiveness, the running cost. And looking at the financial situation of the Nepalese people, we thought this is the best robot that we can get in Nepal. Then we did some homework and then we brought the SSI Mantra to Kathmandu. There's benefits of robot, in complex surgery, the precision of the surgery, the ease of the surgeon who sits in the console and operates. So there's lots of advantages of the robot with the added advantage of laparoscopic surgery. We get discharged fast, less blood loss and shorter hospital stay, and go to their work much easier, faster recovery. With these added benefits, I think the Nepalese people will surely get an advantage over the robotic system. Well, I'd like to congratulate SSI Mantra also. They made such a perfect, accurate robot. I used it yesterday and today also Dr. Newton went for it. We'll get used to it. Well, SSI Mantra has done a wonderful job to cater the poor patients who cannot afford robotic systems. Hats off to SSI Mantra.
I'm very happy to be a part of the robotic system here in our hospital. Our B&B Hospital has started robotic, I think, because the first in Nepal, and I would always be a very happy person to say that I'm a part of it. It was a very big challenge initially to think over if you're starting robotic, but then because we are the first ones to do it and we did it so nicely, we would like to go on doing multiple cases in all sectors and serve the people of Nepal. The first case we did today was robotic hysterectomy. It was a total hysterectomy with bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy. So the indication of that patient was for an ovarian cyst and she was around 53 years old with not having that much of high risk factors. The surgery went uneventful and I think we took around 2 to 2.5 hours to finish it. Using SSI Mantra was a very new experience. I have used this only robotic system for the first time. But then yes, having a 3D view and then having good magnification, precise surgery. So I think the experience was really wow. Yeah, I would certainly recommend this system to other people also because I've had a good experience and I think it changes your way of surgery, it changes your, I think you feel quite upgraded, and obviously the surgery itself is so good that it's very advantageous to the patient also. We have minimal blood loss, minimal stay, perfect surgery. So I think it has to be recommended to so many people.
I must congratulate Dr. Niraj Baidya first for having this vision of getting a robotic system here in Nepal, the first ever robotic system in Nepal. And it is my privilege to be a part of it as a proctor. And the first case which we did today was a great success. It is always better to upgrade oneself. One has to learn, unlearn and relearn. And getting into a robotic system is the same thing. And this helps the patient a lot because you give great success rates to the patient, especially in all complicated surgeries. First, we start with lesser complicated surgeries on a robotic system, and then as we go ahead with the advanced surgeries, you give great results to the patient. So it is always good for the patient to have this robotic system in their area.